Okay, welcome to lesson 5 of the ABAP Cloud tutorial series, and as we have always done, so this learning series is a project-based learning series, and in this lesson 5 we are looking at building a flight lookup program. And by the end of this lesson, you know how to investigate a database table, you know how to read data with select statement, you know what a CDS view is and why it is cleaner than reading just tables directly. And of course, the learning objectives are as follows. You understand how ABAP data is stored in relational tables. You also know how to investigate table structures such as keys, client fields, and columns. You also know how to read data using the ABAP SQL. And finally, you also understand how to use sy-subrc and how to work with empty results. You are going to know how to use a CDS view entity with an association to read related data. Before you actually read the data, you need to know where the data lives, and this takes us to table creation. Okay, so in SAP, the data is stored in relational database tables. The rows are records, the columns are fields, and the key fields uniquely identify each record. So you have a primary key. So this primary key will be known as the key fields.